Into this world all alone.
That's gotta be a joy. To walk all the way in high heels.
You still love him.
Give me a break. What? How can she still love him after all these years? And after what he did to her?
What are we gonna do here, Manu?
I suggest you get rid of the blood first. Then of the bullet holes.
Come on, guys, loud pussy, bro. I mean, we could left the bodies on the floor, they'd still come back.
I'm sure you would come back. Actually, you would come back specifically for that.
I doubt very much the triads are gonna bother with any kind of retaliation this far up north.
Why is that? Why would they just accept this? The triads? Huh. What the fuck? How hard did he hit him? Is he dead?
You're looking at my whole table here, man. We lose another guy with just a few black guys on bikes.
I'd say that's what you are now.
She wants me to bring Wendy.
Why?
Guess she needs some feminine products and such.
Sorry I asked.
Gemma doesn't need any of those products since season 2? Was it season 2?
I hear the DA's getting pressure to offer Lynn a deal. Get him to flip. You think they're trying to get Lynn to give up the MC?
I gotta go.
It would be nice to see any of that DA business. Instead it's just Jerry casually talking about it.
Never said much about how he felt,
Are you talking to yourself again?
but I could tell. It wasn't just a teenage crush or... He loved you so much.
Why?
You okay? You want me to call someone?
Yeah,
Yeah.
the guy's gonna pour my coffee.
Got it.
Sorry. Long night.
Long walk.
You want something to eat? The blueberry Danish are homemade.
Why are you wasting my time with this waitress? You kidding me? You're just cruising through Charming? What?
Gemma saw the Chinese leaving Jax's house that night.
Convenient, your bitch is the only witness.
Cálmate, cálmate.
Just do it. Tired of this freak.
Hey, you're coming with us, huh? You drive him, huh?
Where?
To my office. Hey, don't make this harder than it already is, huh? Let's go.
He has an office? Where's that? Jax's bike looks smaller. 2 episodes ago it was like this. Like the one Bobby's driving. What happened to that?
Maybe I'm just a white guy who's not living in 1956.
I hate these Nazi pigs.
Huh? Just kill him. And these other guys. Who gives a shit about them?
You afraid to put down the gun, bitch?
Alright, enjoy the show, everyone. Oh, it's over.
Taking a smoke break. You want to join me?
No. Who are you?
You married?
I was. 5 years ago.
5 years ago?
When you were 10?
When I was pregnant.
You were pregnant as a 10-year-old?
Boy?
Yeah. John was my dad's name.
Your dad was his dad?
Can I ask who you were talking to?
No.
We were close.
I'm sorry. How'd she die?
Oh, you know, I killed her. But we were close.
Yeah, you're a good girl. I saw that right away. Your kid's lucky.
Is anything going to happen to this waitress, or what's the point of her? What was the point of this scene?
Come on, Marcus.
And no one asked you to referee this fight, you volunteered.
At least there's some reading material in that room. Probably a bucket or two too, so he's covered.
He's here.
Yes.
What do you want?
Huh?
I need to get to Mexico. Give you any intel you want on Sam Crow.
Tell them the truth about Gemma. How did he even contact them? Oh yeah, he was outside that shop that belongs to them, right?
We got someone you've been looking for. Ortiz.
What do you want with Juice?
I don't want anything. He came to us.
That worked out well for Juice.
Juice freaked out. Pulled a gun, made me head east. Kicked me out at Salt Springs.
Oh, Jesus Christ. You okay?
Had a gun in my face, and then I just walked 12 miles in spec boots, so no.
Everyone's fucking over Juice. Which of course means he's the key to everything.
Now tell me what really happened, Jim.
I told you.
Juice was unraveled, but you were the only lifeline he had. What happened?
Since when are you capable of thinking, huh? You can make that connection, but not the connection to Tara?
I want the gun business. Tell the IRA you change your mind.
If I were to do that, I'd need more than just Juice.
How much more?
Well, they have Nero too.
You split Lynn's heroin turf with Tyler, 50-50. That's gonna triple any hit you take from the AB.
How do we handle Marks?
You take him out. Together.
Yeah, how?
Take that cut off him.
Pull his cut.
Juice, at this point, you should just say everything you know. Now he's in one room with Nero.
I helped Jax bring down Lynn.
For killing Tara.
Tell him the truth.
Does Gemma know about that?
What's Gemma got to do with Tara?
Doesn't matter.
Come on. Pressure him. Oh, dude. Nero's just too soft for this.
We don't like mixing race with business.
You kidding, Tully? You don't give a shit about race. Only color you see is green.
It's my job to maintain the brand.
Len will most likely start his sentence here, parole violations. I'm gonna need access to him. I'm not asking you to take him out, just to facilitate.
Why don't we burn that cross when we get to it?
Nice choice of words.
We want this relationship to move forward. I'm gonna have to convince him that he can trust you.
And how do I do that?
You're a bright white boy. Figure it out.
Kill Black. Enough of those running around. Of course, good luck patching over the bastards. I hope he has told him something. Something of value.
That Jim was right?
Not anymore.
That's what you showed up in, just to cover a holding fee.
Investigate.
The DA is trying to flip Lynn. If they have him on the murder of a doctor and a mother, they're not going to give him a deal. Shit.
This got so much bigger than Gemma ever imagined. It's a lie.
Tyler found Elaine.
All right.
Sure you want to do this now?
Yeah.
What are we doing? I'm starting to lose track of what's actually going on.
Egley's been taken off the critical list. She's been asking to see you.
Okay, thanks.
Wait, what? Why would she ask for answer? Who she hasn't talked to in years? Or maybe even never? That's very clever, starting a fight, wearing cuts, riding these very subtle bikes that nobody notices.
All right.
I don't even know who they are.
Nice Impala.
Oh, that guy who killed one of the bastards? Or something like that? The whole reason why they are even here?
This is so you know we can be trusted.
Holy shit.
You kill all them?
Aye. Just for you.
How is this proof of anything? They killed some random blacks. So what? Doesn't mean they are not still in business with blacks.
How you feeling, sweetheart?
I'm okay. I need some help, Wayne. I have to tell you what happened.
Why do you need to tell him? How about telling your boss? Why would she tell answer of all people? Oh. Shame. 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 Well, they haven't killed him this episode, which means... Well, what does it mean? That they're not killing him next episode either?